Hello, my name is Roland Dubouet. I'm a solutions architect at AWS. Media companies face a major challenge: how to optimize their content portfolio and maximize revenue in an ever-evolving environment. The answer lies in intelligent exploitation of media supply chain data. Let's start with the end result. Using Amazon Q for QuickSight, decision makers can query their data using natural language. For example, which content performs the best? Or what archived content has the highest monetization potential? The answers are based on comprehensive analysis of operational and audience data. This business intelligence relies on a modern data collection architecture. EventBridge captures operational events, for instance, ad markers automatically generated by Nomalab partner solution. By combining AI analysis with specific data, Nomalab ensures optimal ad break quality to maximize viewer engagement. Meanwhile, Kinesis processes real-time business data. These streams are automatically organized in S3 table with Apache Iceberg, offering advantages such as query performance up to 3 times faster through continuous table optimization, simplified access management, and native compatibility with major analytics engines and partner solutions. SageMaker Unified Studio provides a single environment for analytics and machine learning. Data scientists can create visual ETL pipelines, combine different data sources, and develop predictive models. Finally, through a conversational interface, infrastructure teams can audit and optimize S3 table configuration using S3 table MCP server, ensuring performance and cost efficiency. A complete solution that transforms data into actionable insights, enabling fact-based business decision rather than intuition. If you want to know more about this demo, do not hesitate to contact us.